Today we have a new challenge and we have to write a function that accepts the name of a programmer and has to return the number of lightsabers owned by that person. And what happens to be is that Zach owns 18 lightsabers and anyone else 0. And note, your function should have a default parameter. So here we have a few test cases, and as you can see, Zach has to be written with a capital Z, else it will return 0. So what do we have to do? Well, we have to start with the condition. Let me enlarge this a bit. If name is double equal sign Zach with a capital Z, colon, then we have to return 18, and all the other cases else, colon, we have to return 0. Let's test that. This won't work, but we'll see why in a minute. As you can see, we have a problem with a required positional augment that is missing. And that's the actual node where it's referred to. Note, your function should have a default parameter, a default augment in Python lingo. It can be empty, it can be a random string, like random, and that will work. That's a legit pass, and of course we can comment this out and merge this into one line of code. Return 18 if name is Zach, else 0. And there we go.